just to correct the perception, bila pandemik COVID-19, semua orang impacted. Tapi recovery process, siapa paling laju? Aviation.
Sebagai pihak yang mengurus pengambilan bakat, talent lah kita kata. So, macam mana dengan konflik global sekarang ni memberi kesan kepada operasi dan keperluan tenaga kerja di lapangan terbang pula?
Alright, okay. I know some people would have this kind of, orang kata, perception. Alamak, another pandemic, another global issues.
Yes.
Okay, just to correct the perception, bila pandemic COVID-19, semua orang impacted. Tapi recovery process, siapa paling laju? Aviation.
Of course.
Sebab apa? We are the essential service. You tengok macam mana boomingnya e-commerce. Sebab apa? Sebab nak menghantar barang-barang ni bukan setakat kapal terbang. Cargo is needed. Kat mana? Especially if you want to talk about rural area, Sabah, Sarawak lah, Long Lelang, Bakallalan. Barang-barang tak dapat nak sampai. So that's why I kata kat sini, regardless of any situation, be it lah, when it comes to this current situation lah, global impact because of the recent war, is not impacted. Okay, what's good about it is that kita might likely to shift. Kita nampak ada potensi, especially on the airport perspective lah, possibility alternative route for airlines. Bila ada alternative route, banyaklah airline masuk. Okay, kedua, sekarang passengers punya demand no longer going toward US ataupun Middle East. People are coming to Asia. Sekali lagi, untung kat dia, untung kat saya di airport. Parking banyak, passenger ramai, right? So in that sense, so again, Aman, it's not going to be a dying punya industry. It is essential industry, and don't rasa macam alamak, mati lah masuk aviation ni kan. No, it is a long lasting career di dalam aviation.